need to scan a WhatsApp QR code. It's quick and easy. Let's do it in just few taps. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Now go to Settings. In the Settings section, you can see the QR code option. Tap on it. Now tap Scan Code at the top of the screen. Use your phone's camera to scan the QR code. Once scanned, you will be directed to chat with the person or group associated with that code. Make sure you are scanning a WhatsApp QR code to avoid errors. Have you ever scanned a WhatsApp code? Share your experience in the comments. If this video helped you, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.